My name is Alekseenkov. I'm a director of engineering at Mirantis, responsible for product development as well as community contributions when it comes to OpenStack. So, and our main things that we do at Mirantis is Fuel and Fuel Web. So Fuel is a library for deploying and managing OpenStack clusters, while Fuel Web is the web UI on the top of that library. Fuel is basically a collection of Puppet manifests. So we have separate set of manifests for configuring network, deploying MySQL in the HA mode, so we use Galera for that. We deploy clustered version of Rabbit. We deploy basically a number of things with Puppet. So all the stuff, all the packages that get deployed and all configuration files that get created, all the services which get started, it's all Puppet based. So think along the lines of Puppet Labs OpenStack, right? So the repo for OpenStack that you guys have at Puppet Labs, but it's something that we are using internally in all our customer deployments. So it was like battle tested during the last 10 deployments that we had with the real customers, starting from the large enterprises and going to the SMBs and some of the smaller, like major startups. We support two reference architectures, or we also call them deployment topologies for deploying OpenStack itself. So one is non-HA and the other one is HA. And when we're doing the non-HA stuff, so we deploy just the plain, straight version of MySQL, and we just deploy Rabbit, and there is no HA for all the OpenStack services. It's just like one single controller with all API services on it. When we're doing the HA, what we do is it's a multi-node cluster with 3 or more controller nodes. We use Puppet to deploy, as I said, MySQL, so Galera, which is essentially like a multi-master active-active solution for HA with a synchronous replication. We deploy clustered version of Rabbit, and then on the top of the cluster we deploy HA proxy and keep alive D to provide redundancy for the API services. And all of that is done in Puppet, and the orchestration is done through the M Collective, which also comes from Puppet Labs.